Hey Beck, me, Alex, is the video guy, so I'll be taking you on a tour around the house. Usually don't be out here a lot. This video shouldn't be too long. About 7 minutes, I think. Maybe? I don't know. Okay. This is the garage. Oh, we left the door open. That's my bad. Weights. A ball. That's fun. These are awesome. I made a person out of these. Maybe I should show you inside. You can make a bike. You can make an ant. You can make all sorts of different things. Let's go. Weights. Exercise machine thingy. That's the washer room in there. And then they have this dartboard. I'm going to try to throw one. Let's hope it works. Line up. It just bounced off. Let's retry that. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Hey, I got a full 2 points, man. Full 2 points. So, let's take you inside. This is the living room. This carpet is painful for the... What is that weight doing there? Did you have any idea why that weight's right there?
Yeah, I'm using it to compare against bag weights so that the bags are too heavy.
It hurts to keep... Well, it hurts to stand on this for long. Anywho, the couches are really soft. That's the front door. This room lights up in the morning, so that's kind of annoying. Alright, that's the TV. We haven't used it. The kitchen. The snacks that we're going to bring. The oven, the rice. At least I think that's the rice. The microwave. Countertop with stuff all over it. Sink. Dishwasher. That's the trash can's in here. We're gonna see her tomorrow anyway, and Dad said we might not be able to upload it in time.
Oh. Surprise.
May I come in?
Sure, but there's not much to see in here.
This is
The sunlight reflects off the walls, so when I wake up with the sun, and somehow Megan manages to sleep through the blinding glare.
maybe she.
Every time.
Yeah, there used to be.
Superpower.
There used to be the inflatable mattress there. We're gonna be bringing that
It's like
back.
sleeping on a bubble, a very hard bubble. It wasn't hard. It was.
It's not that
soft,
bad.
But
We know what it's like to sleep
she
on
slept
it.
on it, and I
Oh.
to see how it is.
I kind of like it. It's definitely.
For real beds.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one's a little stiff.
We can't get that fan to work. All the fans are like this.
Ever since we first landed, it's like I can sleep like sort of like Dad now, where I can just sleep on any bed and just go to sleep and it'll be fine. Unless I have a burn. Yeah. And it's nasty. Wait, what's nasty?
Well, I can tell you.
I know. I've been waking up with the sun. The first time I woke up at 5, and I thought it was 7 o'clock in the morning because it was so bright.
Just so you know, Becca, she's not working on headcanon. That is right?
Why are you telling me that?
I don't know. She might be
I'm not
curious.
working on a headcanon.
Their closet's in there. And this is their very pink bathroom.
Girls' bathroom.
Okay. As Mel says, no privacy. So, the towels are in there. Upstairs. Oh, pantry. I You can slip and slide so easy. I can slip without even wearing socks. This is my room. Just so you know, this is the day that we're packing up, so we're probably going to be seeing you soon. So, this is my bathroom. That's my bed. It's pretty cozy. When Mom was on it, she said she wanted to sleep there. All right, let's take you to my balcony. There was a really good view of the mountains. I think that's like thorn saw blade grass something. I don't know what it's called. Okay. Oh, everything's okay. That's my closet. This is Mom's bedroom. There's a step there. There's a bed. There's a thingy there. Fun fact. You can open it up and see who's down here. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Love you. And then we got Mom's bathroom. Hey, Mom.
Hello.
She's got face stuff out there. This is the shower, as Mel would also say, no privacy. There's a stool there, sinks, towels, super big closet. Mel said she was right there when we played hide and seek that one time. And so this is the second try on the video, so I was like, what? And then I backed up, hit my head on this, and I was like, And now for the last area, the balcony. Boom, boom, boom. Another great view of the ocean. An owl with glowy eyes. Oh, glowy eyes. Balcony. It's pretty nice. 2 balconies. Very swanky. And this house actually has air conditioning. Yay! You have a grand view from up here. So, that concludes with our tour. Would you like to
Just remember to have a pair of socks with you in your carry-on because the airplane tonight will be cold. Okay?
I hope they bring covers. So, do y'all want to say goodbye to Becca before I stop the video?
Rather say hello.
That's nice. Very, very nice. Well, coming up with clever comebacks is nice. Isn't
I
it?
know, right?
Like when I said when you said there's a foot, and I said you wanted to come closer, and we were all like, oh.
And I just backed up. So.
I'm looking forward to giving you such a big hug.
Me.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we might just jump on you, by the way. So.
Me too. And I might just tear up. So.
The manly boy tearing up.
And that concludes our video.